Good morning, Facebook and YouTube. Today on how Hugh builds a teardrop camper on a Harbor Freight trailer frame. I'm going to try to get to the point of where I've cut all the wood that I need to cut and be done with the woodworking for the most part for the this portion. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a wall, put in the ceiling, do the paneling. Then after I get all that done, I'll do some more trim inside and then put some of that sealant on the vent up top. So at least that's the plan. Okay, let's get to work. The rest of the paneling's installed, so I will cut some foam insulation and then tape that into place. I don't know why I'm taping it, I just like tape. Okay, the top section is insulated and taped up, ready for the plywood to be put on there. I think I'll put that piece of, I think I'll do the other insulation first. So let's do the other section. Okay, so there's the front and the side. I want to do fiberglass on the edges. I want to put some goop up on top, some sealer up on top for the vent. So I think I'm going to drink some coffee and then I'm going to think about how I want to do that. I guess as good a time as any to cut this one short, so that part's done. Other than cutting a few trim pieces and making a little stand for a box I ordered. Most of the woodwork is done at this point. So there you go. On to the next part.